Welcome to OIS.GOLD, the first ever AI solution in the world that replicates the precise human jewelry retouching. And this video is part of the video series where I show you how fast we can retouch jewelry photos by using OIS.GOLD. And for these purposes, I use other YouTubers' videos where I take screenshot of raw files from their YouTube videos and then retouch the screenshots with OIS.GOLD. And in the end, we compare the results. And today, I want to show you a golden ring with a diamond stone retouched by a YouTuber named PPI Masterclass. And I want to take a screenshot of his ring and retouch it with OIS.GOLD, obviously faster. So let's take a look in the video and start. So here's the video. As we can see, jewelry retouching tutorial number 2 by PPI Masterclass. So let's take a look at this video. So the guy is cutting out the ring, and actually let's take a screenshot from here, like this. Now let's go to OIS.GOLD and process the file. And for this ring, I'm thinking of going with either level 7 or level 8. I would go with the maximum because we don't have many details and there was a lot, like the quality of the ring, of the photo is not that good. So I would go with maximum settings and let's click processing. And meanwhile, whilst the photo is processing, let's see what the guy did. So I'll turn off the sound. So he cut out the ring. Then he was changing the color of the metal. And then he was using the patch tool to remove all these blemishes. And he was also painting, right? Yeah, he was painting over, all these parts. He was painting, with a brush. It takes a lot of time. And this manual work can be done by OIS.GOLD just in 30 seconds. It depends on the photo. Sometimes it takes 1 minute, sometimes it takes 30 seconds. And so the guy was doing a lot of manual work here. Okay, he was using different filters, color grading, and this is almost the end result. So let's take a look what OIS.GOLD did. Okay, we have 2 files ready to be downloaded. And let's unzip and open in Photoshop. Now let's take a look at what we have. So we have 3 layers. The first one is raw layer. That's the photo that we have uploaded to OIS.GOLD. Then we have the OIS balanced and retouched. The retouched layer is the whole jewelry piece that was retouched with the full settings. And balanced layer is actually the layer where OIS combines some mini small details with the full retouch. But for this ring, it's not really applicable because we don't have that many details here. But the only thing we have here, so if we see the mini details, it has some numbers, but the quality of these numbers is very hard to distinguish. So I would actually remove them in the pre-retouch. But I didn't do any pre-retouch to this photo because it's very easy to fix these blemishes here after, we can just use this. I always forget about this name. Yeah, the remove tool. It's very easy to use the remove tool, and that's pretty much it. Now, what we have here, let's take a very close look at the photo. So this was before. Look at this. The hair, all this dust, all these imperfections, very weird reflections, a shadow, very nasty shadow, the shadow, all this dust. There was a lot of work to do to this ring, and boom, look at this. All the shadows look so nice and sleek. Even this one, it was this shadow was really hard to retouch, but OIS.GOLD did a really good job. So look at these reflections. before and after. Like this part, don't look at the diamond, in the middle. This part, look, just before and after, before and after. And look at all these small details before and after, and take into account that the quality of the photo is very, very low. Especially that this is a screenshot from the YouTube video, and the size of this image is 2000 by 2000 pixels. But we have we screenshotted the pixels from YouTube video. So let's compare the result of PPI Masterclass and OIS.GOLD result. Well, I'll show you how to work with the PSD file from OIS.GOLD. So we can take the eraser and we actually erase around the diamond. We don't need to be that precise, but boom, and we have that nice crispy diamond. So let's go back to YouTube video and see the final result. Here it is. Do we have a magnified image of it? Yes, here it is without the shadow. So let's go full screen, screenshot it. So I laid over the screenshot of the final result from PPI Masterclass and our result. So this is PPI's Masterclass result, and look at before and after, before and after. Oh, it's a fun thing. He forgot to remove this one dot here. Let's help him. So look at the quality of the edges and the shadows and everything. Just look at the quality. Before and after. Before, and the shadows, look how rough they are. And now let's look at the difference between OIS.GOLD result and PPI Masterclass. Look, OIS.GOLD, PPI, OIS.GOLD, PPI. But okay, for the sake of true color comparison, I will add a few layers here. Let's add some levels, something like that. Then let's add color level, like some gold color. Go to color. Oof, it's not that gold. And add some saturation, just like that. Maybe even less. So I've added a few adjustment layers, and let's look into them. Actually, I will copy the group and merge it. And now we can use eraser tool to paint over the diamond. That doesn't need to be yellow, like really fast. So now we have the final result with OIS.GOLD, and we have the result from PPI Masterclass. And look at how sleek and smooth our shadows are. And look at his result. Before, I mean, not before, but OIS.GOLD and PPI. OIS.GOLD, PPI. And if we magnify, just neglect the quality of the ring. We need to look only at the smoothness of the shadows. Look, before, PPI and OIS.GOLD, PPI, OIS.GOLD. Look at this part. And from a distance, just look at this. It's like two completely different rings. We can change the contrast, obviously, make it more darkish and lightish. But if we look at what's done by OIS.GOLD in just 30 seconds, just think about it. This result came in just 30 seconds, and I didn't do any retouch at all. I just did I removed a few blemishes in 10 seconds. So in 1 minute, just in 1 minute and 60 seconds, you get this image that you can continue working on and make it look really neat and perfect. But think about how much time you could have saved on just retouching all the shadows, the reflections, making them look sleek and nice and smooth with OIS.GOLD. So write in the comments below. I'm really curious about your opinion. What do you think about the results of PPI Masterclass and the results made with OIS.GOLD? Obviously, it was a screenshot, but nevertheless, you could obviously see the difference and the impact that OIS.GOLD makes on your work. And obviously, click the link in the description below, go to app.ois.gold and use it for free, because you will have some tokens to try it yourself and see the results for your photos, especially for chains and very complex surfaces. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and actually subscribe, and see you in the next videos.